Welcome to Khadija's world. Today we are gonna read Maisy Goes on Vacations by Lucy Cousins. Let's start reading. Today Maisy is going on vacation. How exciting! Maisy is packing her blue suitcase to go to the seaside. She packs a sun hat, camera and books. What else will she need? Maisy walks to the train station. The station is very busy today. Look, there's Cyril. He is buying the tickets. All aboard! The train pulls away from the station. Maisy colors while Cyril chooses some snacks. Everyone takes out their tickets when the conductor arrives. Nearly there, can you see the ocean? Maisy and Cyril go to the hotel room. The bumps on the bed. Then it's time to unpack and go to the beach. Splash! Maisy loves to jump right in. Splish! Cyril likes to paddle. There's so much to do at the beach. Collecting shells, building sandcastles, playing all day on the shore. Then it's time for snacks. Maisy eats ice cream and Cyril drinks juice. Next they write postcards. Cyril writes to Charlie. Maisy writes to her friend Daisy. Our first day at the seaside was lovely, she tells her. At the end of the day, Maisy and Cyril returns to their hotel room and get ready for bed. Good night, Maisy. Good night, Cyril. Have a nice vacation. I hope you enjoyed the story. See you next time. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe.